Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to link a Google Sheet, alright, to another Google Sheet. Okay, so if you want to link a Google Sheet to another Google Sheet, just watch this video. Let me walk you through exactly how to do just that. Okay, it is super simple. So if you come here, as you can see, I have two sheets. I have an empty sheet right here, unnamed spreadsheet, and then I also have another one that is named. It's completely random, and these are not real names anyway. So yeah, basically we have two spreadsheets. We have this one right here, and then we have two spreadsheets. Also have this spreadsheet right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is that I'm just going to show you what to do, the exact formulas to use to be able to link one spreadsheet to another spreadsheet. Okay, so what we are going to do, if you're going to do it, you need the two sheets. You need the one you're going to link. All right, so this is the one we're going to be linking to this one right here. So this is the empty sheet. So there's a formula you're going to use. All right, so if you come here, you're going to see this formula right here. This is a very important formula. I'm going to state out the formula and explain it for you, but it says here equal to, right, this is your equal to sign, equal to import range. Okay, equal to import range, then bracket open, then you have your quotation, right, you have your double quotation. Okay, and then you have spreadsheet. Okay, spreadsheet, then underscore url. This one is basically your url, right? Then you close your quotation, you have a comma, and then you have your open quotation again, sheet. So let me type it out so you're going to see exactly how it is, right? So basically you have your equal to, and then capital letter, you want to have your import range. Okay, very important. Then you want to have your brackets. I think you want to have your bracket, and then you want to have your double quotation. Okay, so you want to have your double quotation mark, and then you want to have the link to the spreadsheet. So in this case it will be this one. So I'm going to copy this link right here, the link to this spreadsheet right here. All right, so copy it right here, and then I'm going to put it here. All right, so I'm going to put it here. All right, so that's it. Then we'll close the quotation. All right, then you want to add a comma. You want to add a comma, and then you want to open another quotation. So this you want to put in sheet one. What this basically is you want to come here and look for this one right here. So you want to look for the name of this sheet right here. So let me explain. So if I come here to this empty one, you see that this one, it says here sheet one, right? So it is the name that is written here that you want to look at, the name written below here, right? So that's what you're going to put here, okay, as sheet one. Very important. So in this case, mine says here HubSpot underscore contacts underscore imports .csv. Okay, so this is what we're going to put. So I'm just going to copy. Let me try and see if I can rename. I'm not going to rename it. I just want to copy the name. All right, that's it. So I'll just copy it and then come here and then paste it exactly how it is. Okay, very important. When I'm done, then I think what I'm going to do next is that I'm just going to put in this sign. Let me find out what the name of this sign is. Right, let me get the name of the sign. Right, what is the, let me move the caps, all caps. Right, what is the name of this sign? All right, so let's get the name. All right, so I'm not sure they're supposed to give us the name of this one right here. Okay, what's the sign called? It's called exclamation point. Okay, so yeah, so you want to add the exclamation point. Okay, so yeah, we're going to add the exclamation point right here. We're going to add the exclamation point right here. Where is it? So yeah, look for the exclamation point on your keyboard, and then when you're done, so you want to add in your a1 to wherever you want. So what this basically is just the range of the exact files. So the range of the cells, all right, the cells and all of that, so the rows and columns. Okay, so what that means is that this one is a1. All right, so this is a1. As you can see, this is a1 down to this is a7, right? So a1 down to a7. All right, so this one as well is e, and then this one is 7. Okay, very important. So you want to know the range right here that you want to put it. So basically what I'm going to do is that I'm looking at this one and I'm seeing that this one stops at 7 E7, right? A1 to E7. So that's what I'm going to do, right? I hope you understand. This is E, this is 7, this is where it ends, and this is where it ends, right? So this is where it ends, E7. This is where it starts, A, and then this is also where it starts. So A1 and then E7. Okay, very very important. So I come here and put in A1. I'll turn on my all caps, A1. Then I'll put in my column, and then I'll put in E7. Okay, very very important. Then I close my quotation mark, and then I put in the brackets. Okay, close bracket. So this is basically what we are going to do. Okay, so once you've done all this, I believe we've done everything right. Then we'll just copy everything, and then I'll come here to this empty sheet, this empty spreadsheet, and paste this whole thing right here, right? Paste the whole thing and click on enter, right? So if it shows you error like this, which is why they're showing, it means that we made some mistake in the process. Look for the exact thing that we did wrong. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that first things first, let me remove this CSV. Let's see if that is a problem. So I'll come here and remove it right here, and then see, okay, it still did not work. So we know that that is not the problem. Okay, so I'm going to come here, and then the next thing that I'm going to try is, all right, so what we are going to do is that the mistake that I observed that we made is the quotation that we're using. We were supposed to use a straight quotation, right? Very very important, right? So these things are very important. You don't want to make a mistake. So for example, let me try and zoom in right here to see if we can zoom in. So if you notice that this one right here, we are using a straight quotation. The quotation is a straight one, whilst this one is a bit bent. I don't know if you can see. This one is a bit bent, so they are not the same. So I'm going to take this one right here, which is a straight quotation. So you can always open your, let me take it back. So we can always open a new tab and type in straight quotation. All right, quotation mark, quotation mark. Right, so you can always get a straight quotation mark right here, right? So you can always copy it right here. Okay, so the one I used was a curved one, the curved one. So right, you want to take the straight one, very important. Okay, so we are using the straight one. This one is straight. I want to copy this one, and then I'm going to change it right here. Let's go back here and change it. So we're going to change, which means we are changing this one right here. Okay, very important, we are changing this one right here. Okay, boom, you notice it just turned green. Okay, super amazing, because we got it right. We'll change this one as well. We'll change this one as well, green, and then we'll change this one as well, green. Okay, so if we've done everything correct, it should work right now. It's loading, I think. Okay, we should give it access. It's asking us to give it access, so which means you are getting something right. Okay, boom, as you can see, so we've automatically linked this one right to this one, so we got it right. So the mistake we made, it was the quotation. We used the wrong quotation. So these things are very important. You need to pay attention to details, right? Super amazing. Okay, this was awesome, and we actually were able to link this one, right, this spreadsheet, to this other spreadsheet, and you can see it's exactly the same. The names are complete, the last names, the email, the phone number, the company, and all of that, right? It started at A1 and then ended at E7, right? The same thing here, started at A1, ended at E7. That's basically how to link a Google Sheet to another Google Sheet. All right, that's basically it. So yeah, do also like this video if you got any value, and also subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. We make videos like this to help you out, so subscribe. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.